This small golden coin might look ordinary,
but it carries the legacy of Spain's most celebrated writer. A design recognized across Europe,
and a story that connects literature with modern currency. Today, let's uncover the secrets of the 2006 Spain 10 euro cent coin. On the front side, or obverse, we see the portrait of Miguel de Cervantes, the father of modern Spanish literature, and the mind behind the legendary novel Don Quixote. His detailed ruffled collar and the graceful feather. Quill symbolize Spain's rich literary heritage. This design was created to show that, while Spain is a modern nation, it has never forgotten its cultural roots. Turning the coin over, we find the reverse side shared by all euro coins. The large number 10 sits boldly in the center, with the words Eurocent behind it. A map of Europe unites the nations that share this currency, symbolizing economic cooperation and unity. This coin is made from a special alloy called Nordic Gold, which is not actually gold. It's a mixture of copper, aluminium, zinc, and tin.
It gives the coin its golden color, while being durable and corrosion resistant.
The coin weighs 410 grams, has a diameter of 19.75 millimeters. Value depends on rarity, condition, and historical interest. Most 2006 pieces are common,
but uncirculated or proof versions can be worth more to numismatists.
So the next time you hold a Eurocent from Spain,
remember, it's not just a piece of change.
It's a tribute to a writer whose words shaped an entire culture, and a symbol of a united Europe. Would you keep it as change? Or as a piece of history in your collection? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coin stories from around the world.